Hi everyone, Francine here. Just a quick overview of Albergue Casa Marqués. All the bunk beds, the handicap bathroom is actually closed. I think that's where the laundry is, but he does all the laundry for us. There is a separate toilet for guys and gals and two showers, the best hot showers I've had so far, and one toilet. This is what the little kitchen looks like. Sink with a washboard. There's some plates and cutlery. Not a lot, but enough for making a meal. They don't have any oil or seasonings though. And microwave. This is gonna be my breakfast and some snacks for the road. I had gone to two places first, but they were full. Luckily, I got the last top bunk at Casa Marqués. And that's it, folks. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Bon camino. Bye.